Welcome everyone to manufacturing site of AOS Products Private Limited. In front of us is the main entry gateway of the site. Just after entering the gate, we can see passage where the materials are unloaded and are sent to QC department to check the quality. After ensuring the quality of material, they are stored in drums and then filled into these tanks. And with help of pressure created with sparkler filter, they are sent to first floor for further processing. These raw materials are then sent through pipes to the chambers where they are filled in containers and are left to crystallize. After 25 days, the material goes through centrifuge process where the oil is separated and is sent back to reserve tanks on the ground floor. Crystals are then collected into a tray and are sent to packaging area where they go through screening process and are packed into industry standard packing material. These packed materials are then sent down to the ground floor with the help of an elevator, where the finished material are stored in proper storage conditions.